Hey guys, Maddie Frost here, and I'm going to show you how to draw two other characters from my new picture book called Iguana Be a Dragon. So I've showed you how to draw iguana, but now I think I'm going to show you how to draw two of my other favorite characters, which are Gorilla and Cheetah. So grab some paper and something to draw with and meet me right back here, and let's draw iguana's two buddies, Cheetah and Gorilla. Let's go. Okay, I've opened up my sketchbook here and I'm going to start with Cheetah. So you're going to start with a long rectangle shape like that, and two little gumdrop shapes for ears, and the nose, which I start at the bottom of this ear, bring it over, and then back up like that. And you can color in the bottom of the nose like this. La la la, that's the nose song. And some eyes on either side of the nose, a mouth, and some whiskers, because Cheetah is a cat, right? And a belly shape like that. Awesome. Some legs. See that? And a tail, which I'm gonna put the tail on this side actually. So I just sort of start over here, super simple. And then I like to color the very tip of the tail like that. And some arms, so just two lines out. And you can do 1, 2, 3 little fingers. Sort of like a 3 little like bubbly shapes. And of course, what would be a cheetah without spots? I like to do the side spots, like the spots on the side of his body, to make it look like they sort of extend where we can't see. Add your spots, some on the tail, and that is how you draw Cheetah. And if you wanted to, if you drew this in pencil and you wanted to add some sunglasses or maybe a cool beach towel, let's see, I think I can do a towel. So I'm gonna have him holding it in this hand, and to hold the towel, you sort of just do-do-do. Yeah, like that. And you can add some little ruffle marks. Maybe it's has a pattern on it or some sort of design on the towel. He's ready for the pool party. Awesome job, guys. Okay, next I'm going to draw a gorilla, and just a few steps for this guy. So we're going to go like this, gumdrop. And next I want to draw his nose actually. So a circle, 2 little nostrils, and you can do a smile like that. Then from the nose, let's see, we're going to make a little sort of almost complete oval shape. And that's where his eyes will go, in the center. Like that. Some ears on the side. Great. And some We can do, let's put in the arms next. So sort of just continuing the side of his body line down. You just extend, and then you can always erase this line here, but you're gonna make the hands like that. Gorillas have really long arms, so we'll go down here. 1, 2, 3. And you can erase these lines here. 2 little feet. And of course, some hair. And I don't know, I think I want to give this gorilla a hat. And I want to give him a tiny little top hat. So I just do a line and then a little square on top. We would maybe like a flower coming out. Beautiful. Looks like he's going on, I don't know, out to dinner or something. And that is how you draw a gorilla. And I hope you, if you haven't already, you've checked out Iguana Be a Dragon. It is out now, and you can find it in your local library or a bookstore. And I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, guys. See ya.